Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix mega transfer quota exceeded issues in 2026. If you're trying to download or transfer files and receive a transfer quota exceeded message, this guide will help you understand the issue and get back to transferring files as quickly as possible. First, understand that Mega uses transfer quotas to manage bandwidth and network resources. When too much data is transferred within a certain period, the quota limit may be reached temporarily. Next, check whether you're signed into your Mega account. Account holders may have different transfer allowances compared to users accessing files as guests. Now wait for the transfer quota to reset. In many cases, the restriction is temporary and will automatically be removed after some time. Next, pause any unnecessary downloads or transfers that may be consuming your available quota. If you're downloading multiple files at once, try reducing the number of active transfers and retrying later. Now make sure you're using the latest version of the Mega application if you're transferring files through the desktop or mobile app. Next, check your internet connection and ensure it remains stable so transfers can continue smoothly once the quota becomes available again. If you're using the browser version, refresh the page after waiting for the quota reset period. Now monitor your transfer activity and avoid repeatedly restarting downloads, as this can sometimes increase bandwidth usage. Finally, once the transfer quota refreshes, restart your download or upload and allow it to complete normally, and that's it. You've successfully learned how to handle Mega transfer quota exceeded issues and restore your file transfers. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.